Welcome to another episode of the series Recipes with Low Calories. If you want to support this channel and see more videos like this, join me in this video to learn how to make a nutritious grilled tofu with brown rice and mixed vegetable dish with a calorie content of only 319. The preparation of this dish calls for a combination of ingredients: 4 ounces of tofu and 1 cup of mixed vegetables, half a cup of brown rice, 1 spoon of olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. Commence the process by preheating the cooking pan to a moderate temperature. Slice the tofu into small pieces and add it to the preheated pan, allowing it to cook for approximately 4 to 5 minutes until achieving a delectable golden brown hue on both sides. Simultaneously transfer the mixed vegetables to a separate pan, adding a spoonful of olive oil and cooking them to a tender consistency. Prepare the brown rice by cooking it in water until it reaches a taste of optimal tenderness and is fully cooked. After allowing the components of the dish to cool down to an appropriate temperature, artfully arrange the grilled tofu, mixed vegetables, and brown rice in a harmonious composition within a dish. This meal, alongside with an array of other delicious low-calorie dishes, can be found in my book, The Obesity Solution, and the link is provided below.
Subscribe, bye bye.